all-nighter where we packed up everything and we're gonna get ready to go to our trip to Milwaukee. Yeah, it's really messy. We're crammed in here. Hi guys, we're here. We just got done getting ready. We were so busy so we could not vlog. We almost ran out of time. We're like the last group to get done getting ready. Hi. And we were the one who arrived here first. That was sad.
I mean, I got ready. Y'all gotta get ready. Y'all gotta get ready.
I know, like we were like the first one to come. We arrived here first, we were getting ready, and then they started the dance competition, and like there was like 5 of us who didn't have our hair done. This is not like nice. This is actually pretty like bad, because like my bangs suck ass right now.
Oh, the little girl. I didn't miss you.
Oh my gosh, it looks so weird. But yeah, there's so many different groups here.
That would be so good. That's what happened to our embarrassing. Hi. Hola.
I think it's kind of cool in here because like their stage is really nice. It's set up. It has like 2 screens right there and right there, and then there's like it's like got a person standing right there recording it, a person standing there, and a person standing right there. So you get different angles, and it looks like a video, and they like switch off like cameras, which is really nice. That they zoom into. Wow.
Sinh kế đó là who Thai go you sing tua from the cross Wisconsin tua so good talk and it one day the dog alone Thai go you sing
Just got done performing. We're gonna go eat. So we are gonna get some food. There's Julia. And there's the other girl. And we're hungry as heck.
Tí nữa là người ta từ cái nhiều món từ cái mùi thích cái hộp bánh hotel nè, ok. hotel chị bây giờ không mua chị cho lúc thì mua khoa đi thì mua cái đây là mua ra đây biết sự bất cần ra đây là một sấy barbecue. So, and we were pretty nervous. We saw everybody's group, but then like we're gonna be the first group to go, and we start around like 8:30, and that's really early. Like this is like our first time. It's totally fine. I mean, y'all don't got anything to say anyway, so. Oh yeah, and then but that was like everyone was mine. And then we saw what's his name? Right? That's his name. Yeah, him. His hair is like a little overdone. Like he look like Naruto. Yeah. But I mean, like I guess like it makes him stand out. So I mean, I guess it actually does make him stand out actually. But yeah. Oh, we saw Mavu too. She was so nice. She said hi. She was naughty and she's so cool. Like, what? And who else did we see? We saw this one dude and the movie, yeah. They did the what's that movie? Like something like what? Like that one. I know, but there was this movie like or like whatever, right? I could be saying wrong. I'm sorry. Yeah, his wife is so pretty. And she was on makeup. I would like support her, but I'm broke, so I couldn't buy makeup. No, couldn't do it. But yeah, dude, a lot of people are just like partying on the street and walking. They don't want to pay for $6 to go in. That's hell of a lot, man. Just saying.
We got here at like 5, 6. But we didn't like go inside till 7. I like how this was pretty fast. Yeah, like too fast. It's too fast, but like this should like it's a good thing. Too fast or we're too slow. Yeah, I know, right? But I think it's a good thing. So if it's not that feel like we always hate waiting. Oh, the stage is really nice. Like the decoration, the lights, it was really nice. It's just the down part about it is that they have to turn off the lights. So then like like especially in dance, like there's no light for us, and then like they have little lights on the pole, but that's like not enough light, literally. But for the pageants, I really like how they had like a section. That's really nice. Like they had a section, like kind of like an office section, like towards the wall. And then like a table, and then like 2 chairs or something like that, and then like they also have like a lamp and an air. It was like really cool. But overall, like it was nice. It's just that our changing area was like a little small. Like in general, like the girls changing area, like they had like that big opening spot, and like, you know, they could have like used it up properly, like make it convenient for other girls. Yeah. You know, I know you want to come and say look. It might make it look awfully when I go like this, but like this is like. Yeah, look at my highlight. You got no highlight. Look at mine. Mine's like a purpley one, a purpley pinky one. That's alright. Look at me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that we should come back next year or not? For me, I feel like it was like a good experience, but at the same time, like I don't really. It's like since we live so far, we can't like really. I'm really. Or either we have to like come Friday night. Oh yeah.
No, I just think that the grounds competition itself is just too much. And we are lost.
Maybe he missed a turn, but no, I think for the first time competing in Milwaukee, I'm really fascinated by like their decorations and stuff like that. It's just I'm not really feeling this one just because like it's not like pumped. Like I don't feel pumped for this one. Just I was, but when I got here, I just wasn't feeling rushed. Yeah, I just felt rushed to perform, and boom, that's it. Like there was like really no competition. I mean, not that it matters, but like I just didn't have like the like ooh yeah, you know, like I'm pumped. Yeah.
I was like breathing super hard before we went, and I started shaking when I go up there. My mom was crying out like, but after like getting up there and I couldn't see anyone or barely the judges, I was like, oh, I feel fine. I felt like I was just practicing. Up, down.
Oh yeah, I think you did miss a turn.
I walked really late. Like I looked like it was so
Milwaukee,
weird.
the roads are so busy.
Doesn't look like
I haven't seen the nice part of town yet.
I was like, oh shit.
I feel like we're in the kind of like the older part of town. Like the buildings are older and whatnot. We're at a church. Do they just want us to leave them? Well, my phone is like dead though. Yeah. Wait, go log in. Wait.
What is he doing?
Wait, go. Are we sleeping at the church? Do you guys like my pillow? My French fry pillow? It's so cute. So cute. It's both sides. This is only like $5, with tax at Walmart. I have a donut one and I have French fry one, and they have like a dog one and a cat one. But yeah, so cute.